Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to welcome you to Toronto's International Airport. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the gate and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please keep the aisles clear of all personal belongings until we're parked at the gate area. After the seatbelt sign is turned off, please check seatback compartments, closets, and overhead bins for any items that you may have brought with you. Be careful when opening overhead bins because falling objects can cause injury to you or someone seated near you. You're now allowed to use your cell phones at this time, while a laptop, computer, and any devices similar in sizes must remain off until we arrive at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. We will be deplaning by jet bridge, so please exercise care when exiting the aircraft. For those passengers who have checked their bags plane side and were handed a red gate claim tag, those bags will be brought to you at the bottom of the jet bridge. On behalf of the entire crew, I'd like to thank you for choosing American Airlines, a member of the One World Alliance. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, if you've checked your bags plane side and were handed a red gate claim tag, those bags will be brought to you at the bottom of the jet bridge.